Today we're making Taiwanese popcorn chicken with basil. This is a great chicken recipe and packs a punch of spice and flavor. Let's get cooking. We're going to use a garlic press on 3 garlic cloves and mince 1 teaspoon of ginger. We'll next cut 4 boneless chicken thighs into about 1-inch pieces. Add 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally half a cup of cornstarch. We'll gradually add this cornstarch while mixing everything in. Make sure all of the pieces have a nice coating of the cornstarch and have mixed well with the garlic and ginger. In an air fryer set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll spray our chicken with a coating of oil and we'll let these cook for 10 minutes before flipping and cooking for another 10 minutes. In total, each batch will cook for 20 minutes. While we're waiting, let's mix up our seasoning. Measure 2 teaspoons of white pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and a dash of 5 spice. Mix this well. We can also cut our basil into narrow slices. To clarify, I'm using normal basil, not Thai basil. We'll slice 1 serrano chili into thin cuts and cut 1 bunch of green onions. Toss our chicken so that both sides get a nice and crispy golden brown. Once it's ready, we can set this batch aside and repeat for the rest of the chicken. We'll go ahead and also prep our 4 cups of white rice as well. See the video in the description below if you have not seen it before. In the mixing bowl, gradually add our dry seasonings that we mixed earlier and toss vigorously. We'll finally add our greens and toss as well. Everything should be ready to plate now, but I also recommend cooking some cabbage to have as veggies on the side, but that is optional. This recipe makes about 5 servings, but you can always scale it up to make more. The air fryer is great at making these extra crispy bites without the need for deep frying. This really does result in what can best be described as Taiwanese popcorn chicken. In the future, I'd recommend cutting up an onion as well to toss in it. We can now pack everything up and let refrigerate for up to a week. To reheat, simply microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. If we look at our cost breakdown, we can see that each bowl costs about $2 to make. This is great during this time of increasing prices at the grocery store, but also great just as a snack in general. Let me know how it goes down in the comments below, and let me know what foods you guys want to see next.